Hi there, this is an instructional video on how to use my habit tracker. So if you are trying to track your daily habits and trying to see how much you're able to do and keep up with every day, this is a great spreadsheet to use. So here on the top, this is the chart that shows you the amount of times that you and the percentage of how much you kept up with your habit on a daily basis. And this is the date that you begin your habit. So say you decided to begin on a different day, you double click in the box and then you can choose the date. So say we're starting this date. Everything will automatically change for you on here so you can see what date it is. Going over to the first column, this is your daily habit. I have drinking water because everybody wants to drink more water. You can change this. All I have to do is double click in here. So if you want to, go on a walk outside every day, then you can change that. If you change this here in this cell, your chart will change also, so you can change that. If you, and then here is the yes or no column. So this is the times that you have checked, yes, I did it. And then if you haven't checked it, all the blank ones will say no. This is the percentage of the times that you've checked the box yes. And this also shows a little bar to show you how much of a time that you've actually checked your boxes. Another thing that you'll notice is as you check off your boxes, yes, this number gets taller. So if I uncheck them, this number gets lower. And it goes down and you have 32 habits that you can do. And then there's also a place for weekly goals. So if you want to have your goals in whatever your goals want to be, then you can make that a goal as well. And then there's a place for monthly goals as well. So, and then you just check them off as you're done. So that is how to use a habit tracker. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And also if you want to purchase this, there's a link in the description below to purchase. Thank you guys so much.